As part of this trial journey, the best place to start is the employee experience. Before we talk about self service content or technician side context, we need to create the front door employees will actually use. That front door is the service portal. The portal becomes the one stop shop for support. It gives employees a place to search for answers, submit incidents, request services, and track the status of what they have already submitted. So, in this first step, let's start by shaping that experience from the basics. From the admin side, I'm going into the service portal settings. Right away, this is where I can shape the overall experience. I can upload my company logo, change titles and messages across the portal, and adjust the look and feel so employees know they are in the right place. This matters in a trial because people do not just want to know that the software works. They want to picture how it will look inside their own organization. Now, I'm opening the portal homepage designer. This is where the portal starts to come to life. SolarWinds provides predefined layouts. I can add more widgets. I can also remove some of the widgets in here just to organize the page around how my team wants employees to engage with IT. For this example, I want the homepage to feel simple and action oriented. So, first, I'll make sure that the search is easy to find because that supports both self service and faster ticket submission. Next, let's add the most common action employees need. So, we're going to use a custom tile, and then we're going to name this one report an issue. And then you can map a link. So I'm going to use my incident intake form, which you can copy from your service portal as well. You can change some of the icon in here, the color, text color, or background colors. We're going to use a different one. I'm going to leave the color as default. So this option or this button is perfect for break fix situation. Something is broken, something is not working, it needs to be fixed or resolved. So if they are having an issue, just click here and it will give them an incident intake form where they can submit that type of ticket. Now let's add another one. This time we're gonna create for a request service. And then the link, I just copy the link for my list of service catalog from a portal as well. I also want to change the icon and then leave the color as default. Now, for this option, this is ideal for more structured requests like, I need an access to a software, or maybe I want a request for a new equipment, or maybe you need to submit an onboarding type of ticket. So you can also rearrange the widgets in here or shape the homepage around what matters the most to your organization. So some team may wanted like a highlighted, knowledge content. So you have your popular solution widgets in here, while others may want quick links. So you can use a custom message box that supports hyperlinks. You can also use it for announcement, or you can also use a widget for service focus styles. So we have your popular services in here. The point is that the portal is flexible enough to support different operating styles. Now, let's talk about the moment that makes this feel real for a trial user. It's publishing. So if I hit save and click publish, hit yes, that changes becomes available to anyone who can access the portal. That means I can go from a generic setup to a branded employee experience. So this is what our service portal looks like prior to the modification that we just did. If we hit refresh, you can see now that the additional widgets we've added from that portal designer is now within our service portal. And this is the bigger takeaway. The service portal is not only configurable, it is practical. It helps employees find what they need faster while helping IT guide demand into the right channels from day one. If I were running this in a real evaluation, my next step would be simple. Publish a basic portal, add top two entry points employees need most, and let a few users try it immediately. That is how you turn a trial into something people can actually picture using. Design the portal early, make it recognizable, and give employees a clean path to either find answers or ask for help. Thank you and see you on the next one.